When you need the utility of a premium soft roll-up truck bed cover without the premium price tag, Truxport by TruXedo has you covered. Our most affordable soft roll-up truck bed cover protects your cargo from the worst Mother Nature has to offer. The Truxport is there when you need it and out of the way when you don't. When you need full access to your truck bed, it rolls up and stores at the front. Its UV-resistant leather grain vinyl looks great on any truck. Its tight front and tailgate seals keep the elements and weather out. Everything from dust and dirt to rain and snow. You can install Truxport in less than 20 minutes without drilling or special tools. Simply connect the cover assembly to the rails before clamping them to your truck bed. To protect your cargo, release the safety straps, unroll the cover, and slam it closed to latch it. The preset tension control keeps the cover smooth and flat for a low-profile look. An industrial hook and loop system seals the sides of the cover down. When used with a locking tailgate, Truxport keeps your belongings safe and dry. When you need to use your truck bed to the fullest, press down on the dual latches, roll the cover to the front, and secure with the safety straps. With the straps in place, you can safely drive with the cover fully open. Every time you close your truck bed, you can rest in the fact that we put all our covers to the test to make sure they're tough enough to fit your lifestyle. We've even custom designed Truxport to your truck's specific year, make, and model for a guaranteed fit. We proudly manufacture Truxport here in the USA and back it with our 5-year warranty. At TruXedo, we believe you shouldn't have to choose between great design and affordability. With Truxport, you can finally have both. TruXedo. Cover your truck, live your life.
The Gator ETX soft rolling truck bed cover is made in America. In fact, it's designed, engineered, patented, built, and supported in America. This means that it's made to work for you and your family. Whether you use your truck at the farm, at the job site, or moving the neighbor's ugly furniture. With a Gator ETX soft rolling cover, your cargo is no longer exposed to the elements and prying eyes. With its ability to roll and store all the way to the cab, it's never in your way. It's simple to use. To open it, just pull the trigger to release the latch. Then, simply roll the cover as much as you need. To drive with the cover fully open, just roll it to the front of the truck bed and secure it with the straps. To close it, just roll the cover all the way back to the tailgate and slam it shut. An industrial-grade hook and loop system will seal the cover to the rails. It's that easy. When used with a locking tailgate, the ETX will help keep your belongings secure. Our cover has a number of features that set us apart from the competition. You can install the ETX in less than 15 minutes without the need for any drilling. Its automotive-grade front and tailgate seals keep the elements and weather out all year round. The unique design of the rear seal allows you to open and close the tailgate with the ETX closed. It has a sleek, low-profile design which provides an integrated flush mount appearance that completes the look of your truck. Its UV-resistant leather grain vinyl looks great on any truck. To maintain a tight fit and good looks in extreme temperatures and all weather conditions, our unique tension control system allows the cover to be adjusted without the use of tools. Just set the tension control blocks to one of 4 preset positions. We are so confident in the American design and quality of our Gator ETX soft rolling cover that it comes backed by a lifetime warranty on the frame and a 10-year warranty on the tarp. If you ever need support for your cover, just give one of our South Dakota-based customer service representatives a call. Get more from your truck with a Gator ETX soft rolling truck bed cover.
Hi, I'm Charlie Henley, the sales manager for Back Industries. And for 26 years, we've been innovating new technology and tonneau cover design that really lets you get the most out of your truck with a product that doesn't interfere with the use of the pickup bed. It's the perfect complement to the use of this valuable space, the reason you bought this pickup truck. We start by using the factory tailgate lock to lock and secure the bed. By unlocking and lowering the tailgate, it gives you access to a simple pull cable release that releases the automatic latching system to allow you to click and then roll the cover down the rail with very simple one-handed operation. A very simple strap will secure the cover in the open position for driving with a full load of large equipment in the back. Of course, we maintain visibility out your rear window so you can manage that cargo and make sure you have vision of what's going on back there. Here you see our back box toolbox accessory. The Revolver X2 will legitimately turn this entire pickup bed into the largest toolbox that you can put on the back of your truck. The back box is going to give you organization for the small parts, so it's not all over the place when you show up and you need to manage that cargo. A little sliding tray on the top. But what's really clever, just like the Revolver X2 rolls out of the way to give you access to the pickup bed space, the back box is the same in the way that you're able to release the box and tuck it away into the bulkhead, gaining back an additional 10 inches of the large loading space in the bed. So you can get your quad in there when you go out hunting. You can get your table saw in there when you're going to your new job site. And when you're done getting the large equipment out of the way, the back box folds right back out to get organized for the small parts. The cover very simply rolls down. Now the really cool thing about the innovation in the Revolver X2 is the universal tailgate functionality. You can very simply close the cover down over the tailgate, but you can also lower the tailgate and close it in below the cover so that it doesn't matter, it just works and closes very simply for anybody using it. Some of the real back magic comes from our innovation and our patented designs. The Revolver X2 has a patented rail system. Very simply clamps on with no drilling. A vertical clamping surface that secures the rail to the bed with a C-clamp system. But the real key is a 1/2-inch load-bearing flange that bends over 90 degrees and rests on the top surface of the bed rail of the truck, gusseting and reinforcing the attachment of the cover to the pickup bed and literally integrating the two so that any weight that's on top of the cover is transferred securely to the bed rail. So if you have 500 pounds of snow in the winter, it'll carry that load with ease. But the real key is that load-bearing flange is a simple 1/2-inch, which maintains full access to your stake pocket holes on all your full-size trucks. Now a host of other accessories can be added on top, like a set of the bed rail bars, the pop-up tie-downs like the bull rings, the headache rack by Back Rack with their tonneau cover accessory mount, the Track Rack G2 contractor rack that'll hold 1,250 pounds overhead, allowing you to fully accessorize and manage that cargo with ease. So when you're looking for a cover for your new truck, look no further than the Revolver X2.
Hi, my name is Mike. Today we will be installing a Tyger cover. The shape and quantity of the clamps will vary depending on vehicle and bed size. Short bed, 4 clamps. Regular bed, 6 clamps. Long bed, 8 clamps. Position of the side rail is very crucial for a proper installation and fitment. Make sure the inner edge of the side rail lines up with the inner edge of the truck bed rail. Place the side rails evenly, so that the distance between the rear end of the side rail to the tailgate is the same on both sides. When attaching the side rails, it is okay to leave them loose. We will come back and tighten them later. The clamps need to be attached directly to the metal part of the bed rail. You may need to cut a small hole in the bed liner for the clamps, especially for the over the bed rail type of bed liners. Make sure that the ends of the crossbars are resting on the side rails as you're rolling the cover down. After your cover is rolled out flat, you want to make sure that your crossbars are arched upward to avoid pooling of water. The side rail position is important in order to close the cover. Make sure that the locking clip and the side rail are no further than 1/16 of an inch apart. If the cover can't be latched, try moving the side rails outward. If the cover doesn't stay latched, try moving the side rails inward. Gently pull down both sides of the cover. Press along the edges to secure the Velcro. Push down on the end of the cover. Pull the cable on either side to unlatch. The Velcro is used as a guide to roll the cover up straight. Make sure the cover is free of any debris before rolling it up. The safety straps must be used when the cover is rolled up and the vehicle is in motion. Tension control system is located towards the end of the side rails on both sides. It may be used to adjust the vinyl tightness depending on the weather conditions. Only move one increment at a time. Each increment will give you an 1/8 inch of tension adjustment. Same adjustment to both tension plates is needed. If cover is too tight, move tension plate away from the tailgate to loosen the vinyl. If cover is too loose, move the tension plate towards the tailgate to tighten the vinyl. Tension system can also be adjusted back and forth if you have trouble latching down the cover.